Hey there, fellow adventurer, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am taking you along as I prep for a trip to the beautiful Victoria, BC. Let's get started. First things first, I am giving my dress a quick steam iron to make sure it's wrinkle free and ready for our adventure. Once that is done, it's time to head out. We started our journey by heading to Century Plaza, where we caught the bus to the BCFerries terminal. The bus ride was smooth and I captured some lovely shots along the way. Once we arrived at the ferry terminal, we transferred from the bus to the ferry. The BC Ferries ride from Vancouver to Victoria takes about 1 hour and 35 minutes. The process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the signs to board the ferry and you are good to go. On board the ferry, there are plenty of food options to keep you satisfied. You can grab a coffee and pastry from the cafe, enjoy a hot meal from the self-service buffet, or even indulge in some snacks from the convenience store. There is something for everyone. As we sailed across the water, we enjoyed the stunning views from the deck. The ocean, mountains, and islands create a breathtaking panorama that is perfect for some photos and videos. ferry ride, we transferred back to another bus that took us straight into downtown Victoria. We have chosen to stay in the heart of downtown for better connectivity and easy access to shuttle buses and hop on hop off service, making it super convenient to explore all the places we want to visit. We have finally reached Victoria. I am so excited to start exploring this charming city. In my next video, I will be showing you Ogden Point and other beautiful must-visit places in Victoria. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when my next video is live. See you soon.